What happens if you ignore your legal maintenance? Hi, I'm Jane Muir, and I'm a business lawyer in Miami. Legal maintenance is critical to prevent major catastrophic legal problems. A lot of companies, especially when they're starting out, want to conserve resources, and so they try to avoid spending money on accounting and legal needs because they feel like those aren't that necessary. You can do a lot of automation in accounting, and maybe you can copy and paste your agreements from the internet and you think you're fine because you're a smart person and you read the documents and you think that they're going to work. I find so often that that approach causes major problems in the future because you'd be surprised how important the placement of a comma or specific words in a contract are to the outcome in a dispute. So maintaining your legal formalities is critical to protecting your company from risks. For one thing, if you are not secure in your operating agreements, then you're at risk that your corporate veil could be pierced. And so it's important to maintain quarterly meetings or at least annual meetings of your owners and have your operating or partnership agreements on point, and that will make sure that people won't be able to pierce your corporate veil. I also see people either not having contracts or having mediocre contracts for the purpose of interacting with their customers and clients or their staff and vendors. That's really problematic once you have significant intellectual property, because those are the two groups of people that can really harm you and take your intellectual property. So we want to make sure that we're protecting the business from risk inside and from people that you're interacting with as a customer or a client. There's an old saying that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And in law, that is totally true. You can spend $5,000 on some basic legal agreements and it will save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in defense fees in case you get sued, or in fees that you have to expend to sue someone else for breaching your agreements or for taking your intellectual property. So that's why legal maintenance is critical to preventing harm to your business.